Ever wondered how far your money can stretch on YouTrip? Let's dive deep into the world of maximum conversions and uncover the secrets to maximizing your travel budget. YouTrip, a popular travel card, offers a convenient way to spend money overseas. But just how much can you convert at once? Is there a limit to your spending spree? The maximum conversion limit. The maximum amount you can convert on YouTrip in a single transaction is typically determined by a few factors. Your account tier. YouTrip offers different tiers of accounts, each with its own spending limits. Higher tiers usually come with higher conversion limits. Currency conversion limits. The specific currency you're converting to might have its own daily or monthly limits imposed by YouTrip or the issuing bank. Your country's regulations. Some countries have regulations on foreign currency transactions, which can impact the maximum amount you can convert. How to maximize your conversion limit. While YouTrip has limits, there are strategies to optimize your spending. Upgrade your account tier. Consider upgrading to a higher tier to enjoy increased conversion limits and other benefits. Break down large transactions. If you need to make a large purchase, break it down into multiple smaller transactions to stay within the daily or monthly limits. Use multiple cards. If you have multiple YouTrip cards, you can use them to bypass individual card limits. Check with YouTrip support. For the most accurate and up-to-date information, it's best to contact YouTrip's customer support directly. They can provide specific details about your account and any applicable limits. Common misconceptions. Let's address some common misconceptions about YouTrip's conversion limits. Myth 1. There's a universal limit. There's no one-size-fits-all limit. Your maximum conversion amount depends on various factors as mentioned earlier. Myth 2. YouTrip limits are strict. While YouTrip has limits, they're often flexible and can be adjusted based on your needs and account status. While YouTrip offers a fantastic way to spend money overseas, it's essential to understand the maximum conversion limits to plan your travel budget effectively. By considering factors like your account tier, currency conversion limits, and country regulations, you can maximize your spending potential and enjoy a hassle-free travel experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.